This video demonstrates how to create, design, and edit your email signature templates using Sigsync Signature Editor. Sigsync provides hundreds of ready-to-use professional signature templates that are suitable for your business requirement. You can easily edit and design your signature templates using Sigsync Editor's drag-and-drop facility. Sigsync Signature Editor comes with visual components such as table, text, image, AD placeholders, social media icons, personal fields, contact fields, analytics, one-click CSAT survey, etc. You can create a new signature template from scratch or import an existing template and modify it as required. Let's see a simple way to design the signature template. Select the Manage Signature tab from the dashboard. Select the Signature Gallery tab. Sigsync provides hundreds of ready-to-use professional templates for most business requirement. Let's pick a template from the template gallery. Now the selected template is loaded into the Signature Editor. You can modify the template as per the requirement. Now let's add a disclaimer text to the template. Select the row below the banner, select the table icon and insert a row. Drag and drop the disclaimer component into the row you just inserted. Change the disclaimer text properties as per your requirement. Preview the disclaimer in the Signature Preview area. Now let's save the signature template. Give a name to the template. Assign the template to an appropriate signature rule. Click the Save button. That's it. Try Sigsync for free today.